here with them. Make sure they don't get off from here. You're going to remain right here. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Madam, I don't want to work again. I've resigned. I want my family to see me alive. Madam, I don't want to work again. I don't want to work again. Officer.
It's okay. Stop crying. Come here, tears, please. Stop crying. It's okay. Yeah? It's okay.
Why am I like this? So if someone does not have money in this country, you will not find love. Why? Why is it like this? Why? It's not fair.
See, you cannot cheat nature. It's always like that. It's a two-way thing. Someone you love may not love you, but someone you don't love will love you. That is it.
This is not fair. This is not fair. To be poor, is it a crime? Anytime I tell them about my family background, they will all run away. Why is it like that? It's not good.
No,
it's not good.
It's a lie. It's a lie. The truth is that you have not found the one you love. The one that will love you for who you are. Yes. You need to calm down so that you can see that person that will love you for who you are, not for what you have.
Look at Anuka's family that I love so much. I really wanted to be in that family. But immediately I told them about my family background. You need to see the way they treat me.
I feel your pain. Do you know I was in the same situation with you? Yes. And there was a girl I loved in this village. Immediately she found out that I don't have money. She dumped me. Yes, she left. The same thing happened to Anuka too. Yes, there was a girl he was in love with when we were serving at Benue State. Yes, after the service, the girl left. Say Anuka doesn't have money. I'm telling you. So because of that, Anuka now vowed not to have anything to do with a poor girl. But for me, I don't believe in that. I believe in love. Yes, I believe in love for real. That thing cannot even change my mind.
So, you're a graduate?
Yes, we both graduated from the same department. Yes, he has been my good friend. That is why I defend him and his family anytime, any day.
That's a good thing. That means your love experience did not change anything.
No. I'm telling you, no.
You can love again.
Me? Yes, once I found someone that will love me for who I am, I will love the person too. But for now, I don't want love. I don't love at all. I want to focus on my career. I want to pursue my career. I can never give up on my career. But I did not say if I see one, I will say no. Ha! Am I mad?
You're one, okay? You see love again, okay?
Yeah, thank you. Please, promise me you will not fight again.
I won't fight.
You promise?
Yes.
Because see, let me tell you, you don't need to fight. Don't fight her. You know she has been there for you. She has been the one helping you. She was even the one that paid for this house. If I were you, I would just play Mugu. Just play Mugu. Do as if you don't know anything. Do as if you're a foolish person until you get what you want. Once you grab what you want, bam, after the service you disappear. You can face your future. I believe you will see someone that will love you there.
Hello, thank you very, very much. You're a nice person.
Thank you.
Yes, I promise you I will not bother them again. At all. I will not fight with anybody again. See, I'm a very nice person. I don't like looking for trouble. Yes, Lucy. You see, Lucy, I'm a very, very calm person.
Yes.
It's just because that rose of a girl was trying to do this one, take an okra.
Think you have it all. You look down on the poor, one you should see as your king. Your will is not God's will, your desire.
So what is it you say you want to talk about? Because I want to go somewhere right now.
I'm sorry.
Honestly, I never planned to leave you. I cannot leave you. I was just at the bar drinking, wondering why you've been treating me the way you have. I'm sorry, baby.
Oh, please. Please. You think I'm a fool? You think I do not know that you married me because of my father's money?
that's not true.
Oh, that is the truth. I know, that is it. You think I'm daft? Now you want me to give you all the freedom that you really want, so that when you finally kill me, you go bring in the woman you love, right? I would do no such thing. I won't.
You're taking this thing too far. I love you.
You don't love me.
Baby, I am sorry.
You think I'm a fool?
You're not a fool.
Oh my goodness, Osondu, I'm not that stupid. I'm not.
No one said you are. I'm just...
No, you're just nothing, please. Is this why you called me? I mean, this is why you said you wanted to see me.
Baby, I sorry.
Don't have time for this, Osondu. I don't.
Listen to me. I said I'm sorry. I didn't marry you because of your father's work. If anything, I love you.
You love who? You don't love me, please. I don't have time for all this. I'm going out right now. By the time I return, I want this whole place to be clean. Dress the bed very well. Neatly dressed. Fix the house. The bathroom, the sitting room, the kitchen, even the compound. Am I well understood? Huh?
Yes.
Who could save me from this, Makego? You have sold me out for riches, Mama, Makego. You have reduced me to nothing, Makego. I have no voice in my marriage, Makego. Chimo.
Papa, don't break my door. Papa, open this door for me now. You're going to hell now.
You idiot. Go that place where you are coming from. Go there and sleep.
Papa, open this door. Papa, open this door for me, oh. Papa, open this door.
Himege, you want to come and sleep inside? My friend, get out of this place.
Papa,
get out of this place.
Papa, open this door. Papa, open this door. Open this door.
Go and stay with that your friend.
Papa,
my friend, get out. Until you go to that station and bring my daughters out. That is the only time this house will accommodate us.
Papa, open this door.
Leave this place.
Papa, open this door. I'll break this door, Papa.
Ibu idiot.
Papa, open this door, Papa.
Ibu idiot. Hello, Ibu idiot. Go and bring my daughters out from police station.
Papa, I have done my best, though. I have done my best. I went there. I have begged everybody. They promised me they will release them tomorrow.
And your best is not good enough. Go and bring them out.
Papa, open this door for me.
I will not.
Open this door, Papa. Papa, open this door.
Why must I bring open the door? Why must I open the door?
Papa, I cannot sleep outside.
Let spirit catch you there.
Papa,
go back and sleep with your friends.
Papa, so you want me to sleep outside?
Yes.
Papa, spirit will kill your only son.
Die.
I should die.
Die.
Then who will take over the house? Who will take over this house?
Look at you. So you are dreaming of taking over my house?
Papa,
hello, you could leave my house.
Papa, open this door.
Go and bring your sisters.
Papa.
Hello,
Papa.
go and sleep in that your useless.
Papa, open this door for me now. Papa, open this door for me, Papa. Papa, open this door for me. Papa, I'll break this door. Papa, I'll break this door now.
Don't just try it.
Papa, I'll break this door.
Hello.
Papa, open this door, Papa.
Be careful with me.
Papa,
be careful with me. Hello.
Open this door, one. Open this door, two. Papa, I'll break this door. I'll break it all.
You are threatening me.
I will break it all.
Hello. You are threatening me.
Everybody here. Everybody. I will break it.
Mama, this shows that all is not well. All is not well. Eh? Somebody has to go to the city.
I've been asking your sister Ejoma to go to the city. Because really, all is not well. Eh? It's unlike our son to not to have called all this while. Oh my God, you know. I'm going to call son to see me.
Mama, you people had better not send me to that city. Because if I reach that house and that girl misbehaves, I'm going to insult her.
Eh?
And
You man try ya. You won't even try it. Listen, if you dare insult Stella, what I'll do to you, you will know that I'm your mother. Let her not go there and insult Stella. I want to perform
Mama, why are you even defending Stella like this? Eh? Since she was married into this house, has she done anything for you? No. Eh? Anyway, my own is that once I will leave you people. Once this girl works, after her service, I'm following her to America.
Is it not what I've been praying for? That my children will all be happily and richly settled in their matrimonial homes.
Mama, my own is that all the fights you've been fighting for Stella, what has she done for you? How many months now have they gotten married? Has she called you? She has never called you. Has she ever called to check on you? Have they sent anything to you? No. So I don't know why you're fighting for her. I want her to
I think one of you, in short, you know what? I will go personally to that city.
Better.
I'll go and see my son.
Better.
Mama, it's better you go. As a mother, you must definitely come back with something. How about Dikeh? When you come back, we share it.
Give her what?
Papa, you have mind. Eh? You have mind, Papa. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, one day you will need me. Don't worry now.
I will never need you. You are not important in this house. Go and bring your sisters. That is all. Because this house will not contain us. Go and bring your sister. You know you are not important in this house. Eh? You are not important.
Go and roll.
You are welcome. Welcome, my daughter. Welcome. It's okay.
Papa, you see this fight? It will not end. Not anytime soon.
Papa, let them be ready for fights. Let them be ready for fights. They made us to sleep in that Yama police station. That smelling place. They will see.
It's okay, my children. I am happy you are back now. See, when somebody beats you, all you need to do is to go back. Plan on how to beat the person back. That is it.
Huh? Papa, so you are still planning how to go back and fight them? Papa, Jesus. Papa, don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Let me tell you why it ended this way. This fight ended this way because Osondo and his wife did not come back. Assuming they came back, you should have known Abuja through police case.
Elu, I am surprised at you. I am just surprised because Nebu Agafu, you are an idiot. It's not important at all in this house. Hello. You are nothing.
Hello, I don't care what you're saying. Just go and tell them to get ready because I am not going to take this.
So you blame Hello? I'm saying it anytime.
Yes? What are you doing here?
Are you deaf? What are you doing here? Get out!
Hey, stop. What's the problem? Get out.
Hey, shut up, Hello. You heard them. You connive with those people to put my children in the cell. Now you are here telling me good morning. What is good about the morning?
Papa,
what is good about the morning?
I will deal with this girl. I said, what are you doing here? You're still standing here. What are you doing here?
What wrong did I do?
Oh, you're still asking? In a jam question. Just check and be. Wait for me! Papa, wait.
Don't touch her.
Please.
Don't touch her. Papa,
shut up.
Woman rapper.
Ibu idiot.
Chasing everything in skirts.
Don't mind him.
Papa, is this boy really your son?
Your mother is not here to tell us.
Please stop now.
Please don't touch me. Don't. Just leave me alone. What did I do to your sisters? Am I the one that called police for them? Eh?
I'm sorry. I will deal with them later. I promise you I will deal with them. You know they were angry. They slept at the police station. That's the problem.
How is it my fault? Do you know how I managed to release them from police station this morning? Do you know?
If I had known that those people are ungrateful people, I won't let this happen.
Huh? What do you mean? Huh?
You won't understand.
Okay, no problem. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know you are a nice person. You are a nice person. You have a very good heart. See, if everybody is like you, we will not have any problem in this village. You are a nice person. You have a very good heart.
Am I really a nice person?
Yes, you are. And I like you so much.
You like me?
Yes, I like you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I like you. I like you so much. You're a nice person. You have a very good heart. See, let me tell you, forget about money. Money is not everything.
Really?
Yes.
I just said let me come and know how you slept last night.
Huh? No, don't go there. Don't go there. My night was not okay at all. Do you know I slept outside? And the evil spirit was there romancing me. He touched me like this.
Evil spirit?
romancing you.
I'm telling you.
You're very funny. How can evil spirit be romancing you?
Do I know?
Please stop, Joe. Let me start going before those your mad sisters will come here now and start shouting on me.
Hold it down.
Oh,
I want to see you up. I will see you up.
My daughter-in-law, thank you so much. If not for you, that man and his daughters would have swallowed us up alive. Darling one.
Mama, what did you just call me?
You mean my daughter-in-law that I called you? Yes. Do not worry. When I come back from my visit, I will explain to you. You see, my son in the city, him and his wife, they've not been calling, they've not been picking our calls. I don't know what is wrong, so I need to go and find out.
Okay. Mama, I need to go and rest now. Mama, do you have transport fare back to the city?
Yes. Mama has money.
Now, shut up. You can see when somebody is in distress. I don't have any money. I am so broke. I've been thinking of how to get to the city. I said, well, if I start working by tomorrow, maybe the first week next month, I'll be getting there.
Hey, let me give you some.
Don't worry, Mama, I will give you money. I will give you.
No, let me give her some.
Let me not expose you. You know you don't have money. Even this your t-shirt. Remember you borrowed it.
Yes, 5,000.
5,000 all for me?
Will it be okay for you?
Hey, it's a lot, Manomez.
No, it's okay. It will be enough.
Oh, no, it won't be enough. I can walk. I will walk from here. I walk 2 cows. Enter trailer. Come down. Even if it means sitting with cows in the trailer, it's all right.
Mama, does trailer go to worry?
No, the
Mama, don't worry. I will complete it for you.
You know, let me add some for you.
Let's put these ones inside the bag. My mother has money, plenty money. I have. Don't worry, I'll give her. Mama, baby.
I don't want to embarrass my son.
Mama.
He doesn't have anything.
Mama, let's go inside.
Hi, it's okay. Let me add for her now.
No, Mama. Follow me inside the room. Let me give you.
Mama, don't worry. Let me add.
No, keep your money.
Give me this.
Keep it.
In this hand.
No, Mama. Mama, don't do this. Mama, don't.
You're running away. I'm talking and you're running.
No, I'm not running.
You don't want to listen to me, okay?
No, I'm listening.
You heard what I said?
Yes, I heard what you said.
From there, you go to my girlfriend's place and get my cream for me. Did you hear me?
I heard you.
You heard what I said, right?
Loud and clear.
What did I say?
From there, you go to my friend's place and get me my cream.
And do not divert anywhere.
And do not divert anywhere.
From there, you come straight back to the house.
From there, you come straight back to the house.
No, I'm talking about you. Talking to you. You come back to the house.
Yes, me come back to the house.
Without diverting anywhere.
Without diverting anywhere.
Very good.
Very good. Sorry.
Officer, you will go with him. Make sure he doesn't divert anywhere.
Okay, ma'am.
You heard what I said?
Okay, ma'am.
Make sure he doesn't. If you try me, you know what my father can do.
Babe. It's the policeman for me. He's going to follow me about.
Your special bodyguard. I should be applauded for that, right? I'm doing a great job. I'm a good wife. He will go with you wherever you go. Why are you moping at me like that? You think I do not know your plans? To run away? Hush it there. If you don't have any plans of running away, then allow him to do his job gently. Enania? Very good. Go. Very good. Oga, do your work. In fact, if you try, you know what my father can do. Okay. Of course, I don't need to talk too much.
My authority, marry, yet like
you're still standing there looking like a moron, right?
Living in fears, that's what I see. Oh, and I know I would have caught it quick. Who could save me from this? Nakego, you have sold me out for riches, mama. Nakego, you have reduced me to nothing. Nakego, I have no voice in my marriage. Nakego, Chimo Ataramata.
saying is that people should not insult that girl again. Eh? Do you see that girl? That girl is angry with Anoka the way you go out.
I don't want to know. I don't want to know. She can hate them for all I care. What I am saying is that, Uncle, if I see that girl here, the fight will start from her. You hear me? Yes.
Okay, no problem. Since you don't want to listen, then no problem. That girlfriend has Abuja connection. Abuja connect. By the time you could sleep in Abuja cell, now bye-bye. Nobody will hear from you.
Shame! Shame on you. Sometimes I wonder if you are my blood. See the way you are supporting other people's family than yours.
This is shame on me.
Yes!
Yes, she said shame on you.
Yes!
She said shame on you. She told you so. What will you do? Are you not shameless? See your eyebrows, you have barbed them. You don't have single shame. Shameless man.
No problem. No problem. I don't have anything to say. No problem. If you say you're strong, John Cena, if you say you're strong, go and touch the girl. Go and touch her.
Get away, you! Only talk, only talk, only talk.
Is it good with me?
Woman rapper.
Hey!
Lucy.
We are back.
Lucy, you're enjoying it. Oh, hope you kept my Lucy, are you not the one I'm talking to?
Hey, Rose, please, free me this morning. Bikokwa, free me. Ha!
Why are you talking to your friend like that? Even when you're eating her money. Eh? For what?
I don't understand though. Lucy, so you want to start disrespecting me in presence of Anuka, right? That's what you want to do.
Who are you? Rose, who are you? Very soon, the drama will soon unfold. And for you, Anuka, I don't blame you. It's poverty, Aguru, poverty that is keeping you like this. Look at him. I don't blame you. Nonsense.
Don't blame me.
Driver, keep driving.
Anuka, don't worry.
You don't blame me because I refuse to date you.
Get down!
Because I don't want to date a hungry girl. I have a rich girlfriend now. Baby, don't worry. Go inside. Go inside, waiting for you. Come, let's go outside and eat and enjoy ourselves. What is it? Nonsense. I'm not driving car. He's paying you. He pay you. Look, he choke you there. Nonsense. You are drinking somebody's money. So, collect that money from her. She stole your money in your absence and went to buy more and bread. Be eating. As and you are doing being angry with me. I don't want to date you. I'm not driving car. People see it. I'm not a rich man driving a rich girl in her car, and somebody is angry with me. Who cares? Never. I don't care.
Hey! Prisoners are back. Baby, I hope you enjoyed your stay. On top of the prison. And I hope you have learnt your lessons. Hope you're going to stop it now, Abi. Ex-convict.
I don't have time, especially for people like you.
Okay.
But you see this fight? Get ready for more of it.
More of it. Why don't you want to? Okay, I understand why you don't want to start now. Your sister is not here, Abi. You cannot fight alone. It's obvious. As I am now, I can fight your whole family without anybody's help. It's obvious you cannot fight alone. It's so obvious you don't know the kind of wife my brother is marrying, okay? You don't know.
So what is keeping them? What is keeping them? Foolish people, foolish family.
Wait, what's your name? Did you just call my family foolish family?
Yes, I call them greedy family, in fact.
Oh, my family, useless family.
Yes.
Oh no, don't worry, I will not fight you now. I know why I will not fight you. You know you just came out from the prison. So let me allow you go and rest. Next time I will jam you and you say him.
If you come close to me, I am going to scatter you, cut you and chop you like barbecue. Fool.
That's just a mere talk. I will not talk to you, I will not reply you because you are an ex-convict as you are now. Let me allow you to go home. You go, baby, go and rest.
Look at this.
Oh, go and rest, yeah?
Shimon. Bingo. Baboon.
Ex-convict.
Confused chihuahua. Goats. Bingo. Monkey. Zombie.
Hope you enjoyed yourself.
Fishy monkey.
Yeah, one name.
Stupid thing. Thunder fire you with a little touch of lightning. Thunder and a little touch of lightning will fire your family. Look at her. Looking like an abandoned project. Ooh. Good.
Hope you've taken your job this morning.
You are leaving already?
Yes, I want to catch up my flight to Abuja. Our boys are arriving today. I want to make sure we'll all be here this weekend.
That would be so lovely. I would be so glad to be with my boys again. Please, honey, I want to ask you for one thing.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I want you to retrieve those policemen at Stella's house, please. I feel so bad for the boy. You know people are talking, and you are no longer a serving senator. You know what it will cost. Please, honey.
Look, he will dare not do that. He will not take the matter to the public. If he tries that, that means he'll be mad. Eh? This is marriage. Hope you know. I never forced him to marry my only daughter. And besides, I give them money. So please, let them not bother you. Okay? When I come back, I think we can talk about that one, please. Where is this girl? Chika! Chika! Chika!
Yes, sir. Sir?
Get me water to drink before I go out.
Okay, sir. Honey, please do that for me. Oh.
I have told you not to bother yourself. Eh? Don't worry, I will consider it when I'm back from Abuja. I will consider that, don't worry. Just get well first.
This is better for you. You know, the other day Lisa insulted you. I told you, if you like poor people, go ahead and monitor for poor people. Go ahead and date them. For me, a hands off from poor people. See, let me tell you, this time, you will die. Leave poor people alone, leave poor girls alone. Don't date poor girls. They should go and make their own money. Do you understand? I keep telling you. Next thing the person will tell you, I gave you my body. The one you are giving the person, is it plywood? Leave poor people. You don't want to. It's better for you. This is what you like. Go ahead.
See, let me tell you what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I'm not. I don't care whether poor or rich. What I'm saying is that you see this girl. She's a nice person. That's all that matters.
No. Very soon you bring stove, bring pot, cook nice person and eat.
That matters.
No, you eat niceness. Very soon you cook niceness and eat.
Anaka, I'm ready.
We are going. Me and my baby want to go and enjoy and cruise. Take care of yourself. Manage with your poor girlfriend.
Rose.
Baby, let's go.
Please, I want to use the car today. Can I have the car key?
Which car? Korosha?
It's okay.
You get borders for her. She will use borders.
It's okay.
Can I have the key?
Yes.
What do you mean? It's okay. You are giving her the car key. We are using it to go out. You are giving it to her.
She can have it. Anuka, we can use bike or better still. Let's try.
No, there's no better still here.
It's obvious she wants trouble.
Give her trouble. You see now the girl you kept in your house. She's eating your food and she squander your mouth and your bread. And you are giving. Why are you pampering her?
Hello. Please let me go and dress up, okay? I'll meet you.
Okay, no problem.
You can have the car key.
No, don't. What is going on here?
Anuka, what is it?
What do you mean it's okay? And she's taking your car, it's okay. And this Mugu now, this Okoko, is having the car key. He has never touched this kind of car key before.
What is it now? If you're going to disturb me like this, let me just stay back at home.
It's not that.
Look at it. Is it the car you care about?
I care about you, but car follow. See, look at the Mugu you gave the car key. He will spoil things by the time you come back. This guy is a very expensive. Poor people should not drive it. Why will you give your house girl key for her to enjoy your car?
Anuka, what's your problem?
No, I'm not happy.
Anuka, let's go.
Anuka, follow your girlfriend now. She will be angry.
See, let me tell you, if you enter this car, don't on AC. Don't on AC. What are you pressing? He's even pressing. You are even pressing it. Stop pressing that thing. Why? What do you know you're pressing? Don't open that. Close that door.
The car is dirty.
Please don't.
Anuka, let's go. What's it?
See, let me tell you. What is this thing? This thing not good. They will spoil this car.
Anuka, what's your problem? Okay, I'm not going in.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go.
The papers, are they complete?
Whose paper? Which paper? You want to sell the car? You see? This man is a poor man.
Anuka, let's go.
He's a poor man. You want to spoil this car? Why do you do this thing? Giving poor people car to handle.
No, thank you.
Eh?
Anuka.
Let's go. Not that I'm not happy. What are you pressing? Stop pressing that nonsense. Stop pressing it. Have you seen this kind of car before? Take time. Take time. If you anything spoil this car, you see you and Lucy, I will take you to the police. We are coming back. Don't on AC. Close that door now. Close it.
The car is dirty.
No. Don't tell me that. Like what? That was not flight. No. It can be true. Don't say that.
Chika, ma, call the driver.
Baby, why is your face like this? Are you upset?
I'm upset now. Why won't I be upset? Eh? Why won't I be angry? How can you have your car at home there and we are trekking? Is it good?
It's just for today. Let Lucy enjoy the car. Let's trek, please.
Because I know why I'm saying it too. Village Square is very far. What can go very far? It's better we rush back now. Let's rush back and go bring the car.
No. I don't want to use the car today. We've been using it for long. Let her enjoy it today. Let's go before the sun hits us more, please.
That's what I'm telling you. Okay, hot sun will hit you. It will hit you. Your makeup will break.
I will do another one. Let's go.
It's not fun though. I'm used to trekking. It's you now, a Igbo person that is not used to trekking. Your leg will bend though.
No. Let's go.
You cannot leave your car for your girlfriend though. Your leg will bend.
The car today. Let's
Why will she enjoy it?
I don't want to use this car. Let's trek. Are you not enjoying the fact that we're working together?
I'm not enjoying it. I have been trekking all my life. Yes, I've been trekking in this village. Let me enjoy today where I see car. Let me enjoy small. You will not carry it and give
It's just for today. Some other day we will use the car. Let's go.
We'll use it though, but I know why I'm telling you. Don't say you aka kata. You say that your leg is paining you and all these things.
Nothing is going to pay me.
Village Square is very far. Here, you fly, yo. You fly. You fly. And don't tell me to carry you on my back. This one will not be love. Oh. You will not see. You say I don't love you. I know what I'm saying.
Oh, Amuka, you're talking too much. Let's go.
Let's go. Continue.
Which way?
This way. What the
You're talking too much.
It's very far. Oh. I know what I'm saying.
Yes.
Wow.
It's me, Lucy.
Huh?
How do I look?
You look wow.
Thank you very much.
Is that you?
This is me. This is Lucy. I know you'll be surprised to see me dressed like that.
Yes, I'm surprised.
It's okay. It's okay.
You said your friend is the owner of the car. So how come she left it for you?
I know you're wondering why we're driving on this car.
Yes.
You know what? This car belongs to me.
You know sometimes you're funny, but you're not a comedian.
No. I'm serious here. Okay. Rose is not actually the owner of this car. It belongs to me. I'm the one who is from a rich home. Yes, not Rose. Why are you surprised? Why are you looking at me like this?
You say?
I'm from a wedding home, yes. The truth is that I have suffered so much in the hands of men. Yes, looking for true love.
Okay.
Lucy, it's okay.
Mommy, how long will I cry for men, Mommy? How long will I cry for men? My darling, it's okay. These are all lessons of life. It's even good that you tested him now and he failed. It's very obvious he doesn't love you and it's your father's money that he wants. Don't worry. One day, you're going to find a man that will love you for who you are and not money.
Exactly. Lucy, please, stop crying. I don't like to see you like this. You've been crying since. Should I get you water?
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. It's okay. See, my love. It's even better that it happened now. You should be happy that it happened now. A broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. So, my dear, shut up. Move on with your life. Mommy. What did I do to Richard? What did I do to him? I was nice to him, Mommy. Mommy, is this how I'm going to continue? Mommy. Lucy, how do you intend to do this?
Mommy, I'm going to a different village this time from the one I served. Mommy, they have good people there.
And you want to end up with a village man?
Mommy, which one is a village man? I'm going to look for a man that loves me for who I am. A man that got a good heart. Yes, Mommy, a God-fearing man. Mommy, come on. You understand what I told you, right?
Yes, Auntie.
But why are you calling me auntie? Come on, stop this, your auntie
Sorry.
thing. I'm not your auntie. Mommy, she'll be coming to the village with the car.
Are you sure about this?
Mommy, you'll be fine.
Both of you should just take it easy, okay? So, just me and Chisom will be in this house alone.
Mommy, I know you will be fine. And I will be fine also, okay? Don't worry. Rose is coming down with me. We already planned everything.
Yes.
And when your father calls, what should I tell him?
Mommy, am I the one to tell you what you tell Daddy? Tell him anything sweet. He's not your husband. He's your husband. Just pray for me to succeed, okay?
You will succeed.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
I can't wait for you to come back with a good man.
Amen. Mommy,
Please go.
I'm missing you already. Don't miss me too much. Rose,
I'll miss you.
Mommy, pass me off. You miss me. You can't sit down.
Auntie, I will miss you.
Stop calling me.
I'm sorry. Mommy, I'm busy calling her auntie.
That is why I see myself in this village. Yes, Rose is my house help. You see, you see all those dramas, all those fights. Leave my Anuka, leave my this, you're that, man snatcher, whatever. It was all planned.
Wait.
Yes. When we went inside, we had to settle everything.
Wait, you mean Rose? Rose? Your friend Rose is your house help?
She's my house help.
Hey!
You see all those drama. Leave my man alone for me, leave Anuka alone for me, you're this, man snatcher, husband, or whatever. It were all planned. Yes, stop.
No. Just, can you be serious?
It's okay. I see, hello.
Wait. You mean all those things? Leave my boyfriend, leave my man. What have you planned?
Anuka is not meant for me. Okay. He should enjoy with my house help. Yes. It's okay.
You're right.
What?
This car is yours.
It's my car. One of my cars. I have a bigger one. Stop it. Oh, come on. Stop it. Can you drive?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, I can drive.
Oh, you can drive?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what? Let's go out. Let's go and have fun.
Hey!
You're very funny.
Like a man. Let me open the car for you. I'm proud now. I can do this I want to be the car. I know canto. She like a man. Can you imagine? I'm coming.
Oh, it was not an easy journey. Hey!
What are you doing here? I mean, what have you come here to do?
Oh, Rose Stella. I mean, I have been here before, so I believe I'm at the right place.
Of course you are. You are the right place. But you don't have any right whatsoever to leave your house and come to someone else's house unannounced. It's not done anywhere.
But you don't understand. I have been calling my son, and now nobody answered. That is why I came unannounced.
Then you would have waited. You would have waited for us to pick. As it stands now, madam, you have to take this miserable bag of yours back to the village where you came from. Do you understand? Next time you want to come to my house, you put a call. And when I pick, you're obliged to.
Stella, opposite boy. I'm wrong that you people have liquor in your family. Yeah, why are you acting like this? Okay, by the way, where's my son?
He's not around. Even if he were to be around, he won't see you.
Oh, please.
This is my house. And whatever happens is what I say. Whatever I say stands. Do you understand? What do you think of yourself? Eh? Or you think this is the kind of marriage you just get up and come to someone's house like that? I mean, I don't get it.
Mother-in-law.
You better leave this place right now before my policeman comes out and kicks you out. Do you understand?
You were police.
Hey, you! Come here. Come take her out of this place and make sure she doesn't repeat this journey again. And my advice to you, the next time you want to come to my house, you put a call. Don't just come like that. Hello, mommy.
Stella.
Take this woman out of this place.
Stella.
Rubbish.
Stella,
Hello, what?
I'm also your mommy.
What? Mommy!
Stella. What is it? Don't touch me again.
You heard what she said. Get.
Now look at you wearing white. What is going on? What is going on?
Mama, I think you need to go outside first. I will explain to you later.
What's that?
Do. Bye.
Can you first say what?
Let us escape. That's outside gate. Big go.
Don't worry.
Hi. See, this village food can be very sweet.
I didn't know you would like it too. You are very humble. Oh. You are very humble. You see, children of rich men can be very humble sometimes. I didn't know you would like to eat this kind of this thing. I thought you people eat only salad and the other.
Anuka, how do you mean now? Don't I eat this kind of food in my house in the village? Or is it because I now live in the mansion and I eat big mass kind of food? Anuka, why can't I eat this? I'm used to it now.
You don't have to be used to it. You know, you children of big men. That's a way, even breast you suck is a rich woman's breast. Eh? It's not like this local breast we suck here. So I say, from that place till you grow up, you don't taste this kind of food. Do you even go to village? Do you even have village? People like you don't even step on sand. They step on the ties.
Anuka, I beg, forget that thing. Who dash monkey banana? Money has her. Who give me money? I don't get. Anuka, see, let's talk about something better. Anuka, I really like you as a person. But I don't know if you'll change if I tell you who I truly am.
Who else are you if not a rich man? Hey, Mutka. I know you already, so don't worry. There's nothing like that. I cannot change my mind. I'm with you. Forever, forward movement.
Okay, let me just open up to you.
I don't know. What else you want to know from me? You want to tell me that your father is going to give me money? Oh God, I don't like. Because I'm in love, they want to touch me. Hey God.
Let me just tell you.
Yeah.
Crying. Don't worry. Aren't you Chinwe's roommate?
Yes, I'm Chinwe's roommate. She threw me out of the house because I couldn't pay my part of the rent.
That's so bad.
Huh? Even when I told her my mom is very sick.
Huh? Why would she do a thing like this?
I'm just thinking of how to go back to the village now.
No. You won't go back to the village. You will pay your school fees, okay? Aren't you in your final year?
Yes, but what's the point of me being here?
It's okay.
I haven't paid my school fees.
I will take care of it. Don't worry, okay? Just follow me. Huh? It's okay. Stop crying. Let's go. Don't tell me you're still crying. Rose, this is 100,000 naira. Take it. Use it and pay your school fees first thing tomorrow morning, okay? I wanted to use it, but I could still withdraw another one.
Hey!
Take it. Just take it, don't worry. And let me tell you, after this, you will go and get your things and start living here with me till we graduate from the school. Okay?
Oh my God! Did I just hear you well?
Yes.
See?
It's okay. Oh, stop it, okay? Did you forget the day you helped me in school? Yes. When I was passing through tummy bites, you helped me. You gave me a pad.
Oh, Lucy, this is too much.
Come on, stop it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Amen. Rose, you're a nice person. You deserve this. Just keep this money safe. You know this area is not that safe, okay?
I'm coming home.
Okay.
Let me keep this. I'll be
Let
back.
me keep the money very well.
Hey,
You know,
Lucy,
this
thank
area
you.
is not safe.
I'll be back now.
Okay. Wow. Rose, we're going late. Hurry up. What is it?
I forgot to get my clothes from that woman.
How do you mean?
I gave her some of my clothes to amend for me and I forgot to get it yesterday.
Rose, is that the problem?
And she won't even be out by this time. What am I going to wear?
So that's the problem. Is that why you're worried? Eh? You're staying here with me. You can just go to the wardrobe, pick anything you want, and anyone that is your size. My shoes, my bag, anything. I'll put it on.
You see, they're way too expensive. No. I can't do that. Accommodating me in this house is more than enough. You see, I can't.
Rose, stop it. So because of that, you now go naked, eh? Come on, Rose. I know I'm from a rich home. Yes. So also, you cannot go out with me dressing in rags. No, it's not possible. Do you know what? Just hold on, okay? Let me... Wait for me! You can't complain!
See, you're too nice. Oh. Lucy!
Rose, what are you doing?
I want to wash clothes now.
You want to wash my clothes? Well, I told you to take it to the dry cleaner guy.
And why would I do that?
Come
Lucy,
on.
you accommodated me in this house. You're the one feeding me, you clothe me, and you still want me to take your clothes to the laundry guy.
Rose,
I can't do that.
I didn't bring you here to serve me. No, I did not. You're my friend, you're my sister now, okay? You stop all these things.
Thank you, but you see this washing, I would do it. I'm used to it now.
Rose, stop, just stop.
Lucy, thank you. Hey, looks like it's a very expensive food.
Oh, everything expensive.
Oh, you're expensive now.
Rose, come on.
Thank you.
Just stop it, okay?
Pretty Lucy, thank you.
Stop.
Let me do my washing before I eat. Oh. Hi. This place is so fine.
Thank you. Just relax a little bit, okay? You see, boy.
I'll show you around.
Hi, Mommy!
Are you just coming back?
Yes, Mommy.
Hello there.
Mommy, meet Rose. Rose, meet my beautiful mom.
Oh, you're welcome, Rose. She has said so much about you. So I finally met the Rose.
Yes, Mommy.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Ma. I don't know what to say, but God in heaven will bless you for me.
Amen.
Bless you both.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, congratulations to the both of you. The newest graduates in town. I'm so proud of you, darling.
Mommy, you can say that again. Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Ma.
I'm so proud.
Thank you so much, Ma. You know, I've come to realize one thing, that it doesn't matter how long you've met someone, or how good they are to you. You both are the nicest people I've ever met in my life.
God.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, my dear. My daughter is an only child. So I'm happy she's fond of you. Please, take care of her. Like your own sister.
You've heard my mom.
Yes.
You are now my sister. Take care of me like your own sister.
I mean,
wherever I'm going to,
I will
you are
follow
going
you.
Here. We're going for your service, you're going with me. Walking together, anywhere I'm going, you're going with me.
No.
Yes, Mommy.
You don't have to speak for her. Whatever she wants is fine.
Hey.
Mommy.
I want to. I want.
I told you.
It's okay.
It's
It's okay.
Oh, Mommy, look at you.
I missed you, my darling. Oh.
Mom, where is Joy?
Joy has resigned, though.
What?
She said she's getting married.
Wow!
Yes.
Good news!
Is it?
Then, Mommy, what will happen to you?
I'm coping. I've put up notice for someone else, but I haven't seen.
Oh, really?
But it's okay. I'm fine. I'm just excited. I'm happy that you're back.
What?
Who is she?
Our house help.
Yes, house help.
Okay, darling.
What do you need house help for? I'm here now. Ma, I can clean, I can wash, I can cook sweet,
Rose!
very good food. I'm very hardworking.
Calm down.
I can walk, ma.
Rose!
Calm
Now,
down.
please, what do you want me to prepare for you? Let me start working.
Right away.
In fact, from today I have employed myself. I'm the new house girl.
You guys should just rest a bit.
Hey,
freshen
I
up
don't want
before
to
you
rest.
think of
I don't
what
want
to
to
cook.
rest. I want to walk.
Mommy,
I love walking.
She's a nice girl.
She always like this.
She's a nice girl.
Mom, what should I prepare for you, right?
Okay, go and freshen up. Then meet me downstairs.
Girl, alright then. Oh, come on, look at my mommy. Look at my mommy. What is it?
So listen, what's up?
What's up about what?
Rose, can you imagine this fool? Eh? Is it by force I date you? Must I date you? Must I follow you? Leave me alone.
Okay, what's happening?
Hey, hey,
What are you doing here?
back here one side. I'm not talking to you. Just behave yourself. Maintain your lane. What's your own? Huh? So wait. Listen, are you not trying to tell me that you are now a street girl? Abi, it was on your highway that one cannot reason with you.
Okay, come on for here. You're mad. Come on for here, the Chris.
You're not gonna say.
Wait, you won't bet.
Are you normal?
You won't bet more the tear from you won't bet. I said come on for here, the mad.
Don't worry now.
Move, see your shoe.
Who go reason now? One man will take you. I will get you.
See your boot shoe.
You
Get out.
I will get you. I promise you.
What did you call me now? See shoe.
Thank you very much. Well, how did you do this magic?
Forget so I be street girl. I don't say this one you just carry me, they package me for this house. I be street girl.
Hey.
I be street. See,
I can't do it.
Anybody that looks for your trouble, just call me. I'm gonna use you play.
Thank you.
You stupid man. They go.
What is going on here? What happened?
She received a phone call that her two brothers died in a plane crash. And when the news got to her father, he slumped and died.